Please
Sure,
get some scribbling pad and a pen, please. We'll slowly start our session. I'll provide you the complete class notes in advance for the technical sessions. But see my screen?
yes.
I always ensure my participants also write their observation notes and send it on WhatsApp after the class every day. I repeat,
Right.
you have the notes with you, but still in advance, you have to take print copy of the notes. Really, you need to
Ye-
take print copy of the notes, and the notes will be sent once every week. Every week, you have feedback form, okay? You'll submit the feedback. You'll get an automated mail with the download of all notes for the next week.
Got it.
And one thing, friends, this one, friends, print copies like this, week 1, week 2, like this, every week. So weekly feedbacks paired with, please check your mic, friends, please. Vaishnavi, yes, madam, please, everyone, please mute your mic, friends, please. We'll go for questions, friends, please. Let's make it happen. For me, my live online trainings are far better than my classroom. Reason, I can have more interaction, more control on the attentiveness of the attendees. We can make it work. Really, classroom, it won't work like this. It is not working for me. I tried a lot. We tried a lot in different locations in Hyderabad. It's not working. Online is working like a charm. Yeah, weekly notes. You'll take print copies. You'll write your observation notes. But remember, no theory, no theory. It's all practice. You'll write your observation notes during the revision. First attempt, you'll carefully watch the subject. Second attempt, you'll revise. The one you see on the screen is a 2 hours class, usually 1 hour, but for projects, we have 2 hours class for the project work, bit lengthy class. We need to go step by step slowly without any break few times. Yes, if it is 1 hour class, you may see something like this. A 2 hour class, you may see more content, 1 hour versus 2 hours, something like this. I need your support. Let's get started. What is database? Let's start from there. Resume, mock interviews, project work. I will take care. I need to care more about your course more than you. I will do my duty. And I'm the only one here at our SQL school. I will be the only one for Microsoft technologies. So I care a lot. It's my school. I have to take it carefully to proceed further. It has been almost 2 decades. My Google age of our SQL school, almost 19 years. Google age. The same contact number, the same website, and the same basic logo. We are happily going on. Need your support. Let's filter each other today. I assume we're all very new. Let's get started. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. Let's stay connected on LinkedIn for understanding more about each other better. For 19 years, I have been loving my Microsoft SQL technology. It has blessed me more than what I dreamt in my life, truly. Really. With the support of cloud 7-8 years back and the support of AI now last few months. Every course has AI in my classes. And though I am into corporate trainings, I still love individual trainings, mentorship. I like it. Few of our invoices, valid, genuine invoices for various companies on my screen, including Mindtree, PeopleCart, ADP, L&T, and so on. I assure you practical classes and my certificate has its own value across the globe. Let's get started now, slowly, step by step. Friends, one thing, we are into trainings, projects only. Placement assistance, part of the course. And truly speaking, we are not a consultancy. We are just a training vendor for various MNCs. So priority basis, preferential basis, purely based on our rapport with the subject, placement assistance will be there. Let's get started now slowly. What is database? What are our job roles? Let's get started slowly. Database. It is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. What is this? Yes. To log into this webinar today, you join a meet, you join one link, you clicked on the link and you join there. I'll simply click on the join option here. This is a website, right? It's a website. And you join. It'll ask you for filling the form with some details. Yes, those details, either webinar app or through SQL School app or our website or our partners' websites, because we are partnered with other training institutes as well. I am part with other training institutes. But in fact, I'll tell them, you filter and then give it to me so that our relationship is safe. It requires. Tomorrow is important than today. Today I am okay. I can see the dawn and the dusk, but what about tomorrow? Right? Future is important. No compromise. Here we go back. So we have a form. We submit the form. The data comes to the database. What I am doing? Yes, I'm explaining what is database here. Your data, my data, everything in a database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. You can ask me, Sai, why don't you store data in Excel? Why don't you store data in PDF? Yes, any guess, friends? Any problem with Excel or PDF, please? Any problem? Don't say no. Think. I'll wait, friends. Sometimes,
Limitations and data types.
okay, got it, brother. Yes, others, please. Any other problems with Excel? We should know why we are learning database, right? That's important, friends. Please, let's feel it. Please, come on, I'll wait. Why database? Why not Excel? Any guess?
Access to the data.
Okay, correct. Anything else, please? Size of data. What do you say, friends? In Excel, we cannot store huge volumes of data, right? Isn't it? Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
We cannot store terabytes of data in Excel. But database, come on, friends, answer already on the screen. Any type of data, any amount of data. In Excel, we cannot store passwords. We cannot store QR codes. We cannot store barcodes. In database, any type, no exceptions. Database can store any amount of data, small and big. Ganesh, I'll mute you for some time, brother. Please help me. I'll continue. I repeat, any type of data, any amount of data. Any amount means no restrictions. There are two types of databases. OLTP database, data warehouse database. OLTP, live data, like say recent registrations from our website, live data, recent live cricket match, recent live online banking, online stock market operations, online reservations, anything live. OLTP. Remember this for tomorrow's class installation. Other one, data warehouse, to store historical data. old inactive data, past registrations, past cricket match data, past historical data from the stock market, past temperature data. Why? For example, weather forecast. How it happens? Based on yesterday repeat itself. Simple. Yes, here it is. We are talking about something called as a warehouse. Purpose. Why to store old data? To track back, to trace back the old data and get accurate forecasts. You are attending the live demo session today. You are cautious to filter your trainer. I am cautious to filter my participants. Why? Yes, we need to forecast how the things can happily happen next. Warehouse is playing a major role in today's market. We call it big data, right? Big data is nothing but the warehouse. I repeat, the godown of data, warehouse. The birthplace of data, SQL School website, Google Forms, Facebook feeds, Twitter tweets, X apps, files, or IoT, other devices like your mobile, GPS enabled devices, room temperature sensors, all are the sources of data. They push data to the databases. But databases are OLTP, like a showroom. Like a showroom. They store limited data for few hours or days or weeks or quarters or months or years. After that, for long run, we need to offload the data. We say archive the data into warehouse. From warehouse comes reporting, AI, artificial intelligence, data science, etc. Mainly from big data activities. I repeat once again in a technical way, any end-to-end implementation in real world, any big data like Databricks, Azure, AWS, any industrial IT industry database projects involve warehouse, OLTP database, and in between say ETL we call extract, transform, load, process. So source data, warehouse, in between you have something called ETL concepts, extract, transform, load concepts. ETL we call it. Now our course starts. We are here at the birthplace of data. We are all very new. From database, we can directly go to reporting, data analyst job role, or from data, we have ETL and big data, data warehouse, that is data engineer job role, DE, data analyst, reporting the data, data engineer, compute, cloud computing, and big data warehouse activities. In simple terms, once again on my screen, Power BI is a famous, very famous set of tools. Remember, in olden days, Power BI used to be a single tool. Now, my God, it's a lot of tools now. And what we do with them? Reporting, analysis, forecast, AI, Copilot, part of our classes. So from source, we directly go for Power BI reporting. Other one, source to database, database to warehouse, warehouse to reporting. Database touch with Power BI requires SQL. Remember, what is this? SQL. Now, what is SQL? Let's understand slowly. I repeat again, we'll come back to the screen after 10 minutes. We'll come back to the screen after 10 minutes. I understand, I assume we are all very new. Let's understand slowly, step by step, what is OLTP? What is data warehouse? What is the rightmost side on top? OLAP now on my screen. I'll provide you this print copy notes to you. I provide the Word document. Please take print copy. We'll go back to the PPT after 5 minutes. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, secured, faster, organized format. There are various types of databases. Friends, we are all very new. We are learning it slowly. We'll decide the questions after revision throughout the course. You will decide the questions after revision. We are in a school, not in a college or university. And I should be English teacher during the class, PT master after the class. Really, I mean my words. Let's stay tuned. OLTP, online transaction processing database to store live real-time data. I said live temperature data, live cricket match, anything live, OLTP. Data warehouse, old historical data, anything old, past temperature data, past cricket match data. Why? Forecast, predictions. There comes data science, predictive analysis, deep learning, etc. OLAP, online analytical processing database. Very important for our course. A mix of OLTP plus data warehouse plus OLAP together forms a blended version of database type called HTAP. Live forecasts, just like Google Map. How it is simple. You travel from your place to SQL School or office in Hyderabad, high-tech city. Sometimes we see heavy traffic, maybe due to VIP movement, VIP or protocol issues, or sometimes due to time, office time, because our office is located beside one star hotel, Ibis Hotel in Hyderabad, high-tech city. So sometimes we see a lot of VIP movements over there, especially during weekends, traffic jam. But we cannot escape that location because it's our own location, so we cannot escape it now. Here it is. You travel from your location to our SQL School location. ETA, expected time of arrival. That is forecast, live forecast. Past navigations, history, live movement of your cursor, vehicle. That is OLTP. Why we are learning it today? Yes, to understand important job roles. SQL developers will be involved in OLTP database design, coding, 100% coding. SQL developers. Our project for SQL developers would be like this. I'll show you here. We have a nice banking project, and the code would be looking like this. Yes, we need to write the code if you are into programming development. This is our banking project, fully solved project with complete information required for your resume, including project FAQs. Project FAQs. Your interviewer asks you like what you did in the project, what are the challenges you face in the project, and so on. This is developer. Other one we have something called data engineer. Coming to the data engineer, the actual implementation project work involves good lot of activities mainly towards big data warehouse concepts. Your interviewer asks you like what you did in the project, from where you are getting the data, how the data flows, explain the data flow, and how to implement big data. There is something called medallion architecture, CDC, SCD, lot of activities. Complete solution step by step, I will take care. With FAQs, project specific FAQs. So when we say interview questions for any course, we have project specific interview questions and answers and subject specific, concept specific FAQs and answers with scenarios, theoretical FAQs, scenario FAQs, project FAQs, 3 different types for any course. Same way data analyst. It's all about reporting. Data analyst is all about reporting activities. We read the data, we report it. We customize the reporting activities. For example, part of our data analyst course, we have various requirements. We have basic level requirements with screenshot based reporting. Usually starters, freshers will be having this kind of requirements. So junior data analysts. As we gain experience, part of our course, we need to have something called as natural language requirements also. Technical implementation of customer language, customer statements. And from there, get proper end-to-end implementation activities. Straight to the point. Now, DBA, it's all about management. They manage the data, make sure data is available 24/7, secure the data, troubleshoot the things, servicing a car, something like that. Any project, developers design the database and they are done. They are done. Data engineers, data analysts, database administrators are forever until the last bit of the database. As long as the project goes, engineers, analysts, and admins are required. What about developers? Just like manufacturing a car, they are the car plant. Whereas engineers, analysts, admins, throughout the life of the database. Microsoft has certifications for these 3 job roles as on date. Microsoft did not have an active certification for SQL developers for last 5.5 to 6 years. We used to have something called 7461 in 2017 and 2016. I think early 2018, they removed it. It's no longer available now. But engineers, analysts, admins always rock. Now, I repeat again what we are learning. What is database? Types of databases. Friends will go for questions in another 10 minutes, please. Then we are learning what are the job roles, responsibilities. Now, how do they do? To interact with my computer, I need a keyboard and mouse. To interact with you, I need a language. How we interact the database, how we need to talk to database from tomorrow. SQL. To talk to any database, we need SQL. What is this? Structured query language. I'll mail you all these notes. Please take print copies of it. Save. We are learning for our sake. SQL, structured query language. communication platform to operate on any database. MS SQL, a variant of SQL, a type of SQL exclusively for Microsoft SQL Server software. Now, what is Microsoft SQL Server? We'll go there slowly. Remember, we are learning something called SQL first. A communication path to database. To talk to a person, we need a language. To talk to a person, we need a language. What is English? A type of language. A brand. Here it is. What is SQL? Platform to talk to database. What is MS SQL? A variant of SQL, type of SQL called Transact SQL. So TSQL, MS SQL, both are same. A brand of SQL from Microsoft. iPhone is a brand of mobile. Windows is a brand of OS. English is a brand of language. Just like Google Chrome, a brand of browser from Google. Now, okay, we learned what is database, types of databases, what is SQL, what is MS SQL. Now, I said something called Microsoft SQL databases, and the diagram speaks about SQL Server here. What is this? It is a DBMS. Remember, database is a car, SQL is the fuel, DBMS is the road. That's it. I repeat, database is your car or bike. SQL is a fuel. Without SQL, my bike or car won't talk to me. It won't listen to me. Without SQL, database won't listen to me. But how to drive it? I require a platform, right? I need a platform. The platform should be there beforehand. That is DBMS. It is a software. We are going to install it tomorrow. We are going to construct the road tomorrow and start driving our car or the bike from day after tomorrow, step by step. SQL. This is a learner license, driving school, and this is your own brand car. Something like that. Something like that. DBMS, a database management system. It's a software. It's a software. Friends, let's observe carefully. I'll make this video available for you after the class. Throughout the course, you have everyday class videos along with the notes. But let's stay tuned. Let's feel the subject. DBMS, it's a software. Different companies designed various DBMS brands, hundreds of DBMS softwares from thousands of companies. Yes, multiple companies joined together and started DBM. For example, SQL Server. Initially, Sybase and Microsoft joined together. Then Microsoft, got that software anyway. Same way, Sun Microsystems and Oracle. They came Oracle. Now Sun Microsystems is no longer available. When I was doing my SCJP, SCJD in 2004, my BTech 2004, my third year BTech, I was doing SCJP, Sun Certified Java Programmer, then Sun Certified Java Developer. At that time, Oracle was in the limelight. But now, Microsoft, everywhere Microsoft. Amazing features, beautiful benefits, cheaper pricing. And truly speaking, friends, SQL Server is really great because of its nice user interface. It is cheaper, but not so cheap. Remember, it's not so cheap. It is bit cheaper compared to Oracle. Bit cheaper. Very nice user interface. Free support. You take other database systems like IBM DB2, Oracle. We pay for their every call support, every ticket we need to pay. Microsoft SQL Server, just like a weekend brunch. Get the license and we are done. We are eligible for free support. But that is like a la carte. Every visit involves cost. Each have their own advantages. Price is also one important factor. And without compromising the quality standards, that's important, right? Price is important. Quality of data is also important. We have to balance both. So this is what we are going to learn from tomorrow. Installation, the road, we are going to construct the road tomorrow, SQL Server, to drive our data from day after tomorrow. So DBMS brand from Microsoft called SQL Server, we need to implement tomorrow. Today I have to provide you two things. Number one, installation download link. Number two, detailed notes. You take print copies, get ready. Very detailed, step by step, tomorrow's agenda. Which version, Sai? Yes, we are going to take the latest versions of SQL Server tomorrow, 2020 to 2019, both. I'll show you tomorrow. And I request you to install both in your computer. One is not enough for our course. Why? Let me show you technically why just one is not enough. Before that, let me recap once again. We are learning what is database. There are 4 types, but basic level 2 types are important at the need of the hour. OLTP, live, showroom, warehouse, the godown. Developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. Data engineers will be involved in design of warehouse databases. And data analysts are required for reporting, analysis. Yes, the North Star Power BI for data analysts. PL 300 certification. And data warehouse for data engineers, OLTP for database developers. And what we do, we are going to learn DBMS from tomorrow. To build and design databases, we need a software. To manage databases, access databases, we need a software. Analyze, secure, monitor, and troubleshoot databases, we need a software. And also to implement AI, artificial intelligence, we need a software. That software is called DBMS. Different companies, different DBMS, and we are into Microsoft SQL. And what we do, we are going to install SQL Server, I said total 2 times tomorrow, to implement chapter 15, 16, concept 15, 16, and 20. We need minimum 2 servers. Windows 8 or higher operating system required, please. Windows 8 or higher is required for our classes. We need to involve in database concepts, SQL and MS SQL concepts, architecture elements, tuning activities, procedures, functions, etc. This yellow box is the basement for our lovely data engineering classes, Azure or Fabric, 2 different clouds from Microsoft. Azure, a stabilized data engineering data warehouse solution. Fabric, a new warehouse solution with AI, full of AI. Both of them, either of them 7 weeks each, separate classes, not even a single class is common, separate classes, 7 weeks each. Or data analyst, another 7 weeks. Each of these boxes, first 3 boxes, 7 weeks each. After SQL, 3 weeks, then comes 7 weeks each for engineering activities. So plan your things accordingly. Choose any one. Either you go for the first left box or you go for the red box or the other dark box as you wish. And what we are going to learn, remember, first and third box are all about warehousing activities. You ask me, Sai, why we have two clouds here? I go to a cloth showroom, I have different product to suit my needs and different price tags, different quality. Same thing here. In Microsoft Shop, we have Azure Cloud preferred by existing clients, stabilized, nice stability. Fabric, an upcoming trending AI-based engineering activities, bit costly as on date, bit costly. Data analyst, we have Power BI and Python analytics inside this. If in case you're into programming, coding part, we have various options separately there. Attendees are planning for big data, cloud computing, go for data engineer stream. Attendees are looking for reporting, go for data analyst stream, either of them. You choose the course, let us know. We need to provide you the day-wise roster, like what we'll be learning in each module of the course. For example, data analyst, what we learn step by step. Data engineer, what we learn step by step. And the prerequisites, we need to let you know about it. So over to you now. You'll be receiving a form. Kindly submit the form and let us know which stream you would like to go for. Is it SQL plus data engineer? I'll put this way. Or SQL plus Power BI. I'll just make it more clear because you can derive the job roles accordingly. Or Fabric, SQL plus Fabric engineering. One email sent just now. Kindly check. I shall wait. Next comes installation. I need to provide you the complete notes. I'll provide the complete notes. And also I need to provide you the information about installation downloads. I'll do it carefully. One email sent just now. Kindly check it, please. I'll wait. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait for some time. Email sent, email sent. Kindly check. I'll wait, please. In the meantime, let's recap what we learned. Come on, friends, please. What we learned so far today. Hope you are writing your notes, please. What we learned so far today. What is database? Next. Types of databases, right? Isn't it, friends? Please. Types of databases. Next. Please, everyone. Types of databases. Then what else we learned? Job roles, SQL, MS SQL, DBMS. One such DBMS, SQL Server. Please check your email. I'll wait. Next comes installation. Kindly repeat once again. Firstly, we learned what is database today. Then types of databases. DBMS. Types of DBMS. One such DBMS, Microsoft SQL. Okay, next. What else we learned? SQL, T-SQL. On my screen, everything single screen. What is database? Types of databases and the job roles. DBMS, SQL Server, SQL, TSQL. Installation part, I'll take care. Leave it to me. Please go through items 1 to 7 carefully, please. In the meantime, hope you got the email. Please check. I'll wait. Please, I'll wait. To Make sure we are prepared for tomorrow's class. Hope everyone received 2 mails. Concept 1 introduction, concept 2 installation with 3 downloads. Tomorrow's class. Hope you received it, please. Concept 1, concept 2. Please check it. I'll
Yes,
wait.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, received.
Perfect. Yes. Please download the Word documents. In concept 1, there is a small assignment also. Okay. See this one, friends. Small assignment. Download the files. Try to fill the assignment and submit on email. Tomorrow we are going to slowly start the installation. So today we have just started with what is database, types of database, job roles, DBMS SQL Server, SQL TSQL. Just by heart these new technical terms slowly. Tomorrow plan. I'll show you the installation first. Again revise installation next. Again revise installation third. We need it because a lot of technical terms tomorrow. There are about 20 keywords tomorrow. 20 keywords. Okay, please, we are learning for ourselves. After revision, we go for doubts and clarifications. Before that, I have to show you testing connections also. And how the connections work. Tomorrow's lab plan. The final screen of our class today. I already sent you the email today, the notes for tomorrow's second concept. This is the one. I'll make you install 2 servers. I gave you 3 download links, right? Isn't it, friends? Could you please check it? Second mail, please. I gave you 3 download links. Please, everyone, please. 3 download links. Yes.
Yes.
Second mail.
Yes, we have.
Yes, we have, sir.
Yes. 1.
Yes, we have.
Okay. Yes, sister. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In your computer. We are going to install 3 things tomorrow. Then connect. Connect to the first server. Connect to second server. Connect to our online server also tomorrow. Local servers free demo pieces in your computer. Our online server valid, genuine, licensed copy. There is a difference. In real world, we need to work with the online server, right? Licensed copy. So let's get it as well. Part of the course. Need your support. We'll stop for today. Over to you for questions, if any. From tomorrow, we'll slowly start the installations. Thank you. Any questions, let me know, please. We'll stop for today. I'll wait.